yun?
Lots of water, you take a steam, a hot shower. My mind, when I
Downtown
walk
tayo,
out of there, is in a completely different place than when I walked in. I think better, I feel good, I'm warm, I have energy for life.
I have
Classes are included with
energy.
your membership, like hot yoga
Gusto
and
mong mamili,
spin.
pwede ka
Motion
dito.
Fitness also has childcare
Ayun,
available
mga
and 4
ano,
locations.
Asian.
You're
Ano to?
welcome to use them all.
Walmart's Fight Hunger
Halal?
Spark Change campaign is on now.
Yan
And in
nag-aaral sa
partnership with
inyo.
Food Banks Canada, we're making positive changes across local communities. Donate today alongside Walmart Canada's
Kasi
$1
ang
million
akala niya
donation.
pag mamimili.
Together, we can help fight hunger
Kaya sabi
and
niya,
starvation.
pipikapin ako para mamili. Sabi ko, sabi ko gagawin. Sa kanan. Meron pa bang ano si Bruce, June? Yung ano niya, buhangin? Wala na?
Mayroon nung konti.
Konti? Yun nga yung problema din eh. Pag, isang linggo, kaya pa yun.